Today, I'm building an AI assistant that knows everything about my creator business. So whether you're running a YouTube channel, a coaching business, an agency, whatever, imagine being able to ask, what are our standard operating procedures? Or show me my content strategy and getting instant answers. Sounds pretty awesome, right? But here's the thing. Right now, my business is an absolute mess across Google Drive. So today, I'm migrating everything from scripts to affiliate lists, tasks and notes, all into Notion. Because if I want AI to help me, I need to fix my system first. But let me be real, this isn't any basic Notion tutorial. This is me rebuilding my entire business with the hope that this AI can actually work. Now look, right now, my system is stuck together with duct tape and prayers. I've got YouTube scripts scattered across 47 different Google Docs. Some are titled, these 3 AI tools, some are untitled document 17, and one is literally just called, I don't know. My affiliate links, buried in a Google Doc that I haven't even updated in months. My notes, somewhere inside a folder, inside another folder. Honestly, I don't even know. And every week, Daniel will message me, what do I work on next? And I'm like, let me find the list. Just give me 20 minutes. Or wait, maybe it was a voice note. Now look, maybe you're not managing a YouTube channel. Maybe you're managing a coaching business, an agency, a freelance operation, whatever. I can still guarantee that you felt this too. You've got the knowledge in the head, the processes exist, but your digital life is complete chaos. And then I'll see these other creators building all these tidy systems, automating everything using AI agents, and I'm over here control Fing through 300 different documents just trying to find out what I wrote 3 weeks ago. So yeah, something had to change, and today's the day. So here's what made me finally commit to this. I want to build this AI assistant. Basically, a custom ChatGPT that can search through everything within my business and give me instant answers. So imagine being able to ask, what's my process for uploading YouTube videos? Or what is my hook structure? Or how do we schedule monthly articles in Outrank? And getting answers instantly. But here's the problem. It only works if my data is organized properly. And Google Drive right now, it's just files, random documents, and AI can't make sense of that. It can't go and find answers for you when everything's just scattered around. And it definitely can't tell you, here's your upload structure when it's buried across 3 different docs with no clear structure. It's like hiring an assistant, but your files are just thrown into a cabinet with no organization whatsoever. And so I realized, if I want to build this AI assistant, if I want it to actually help me, I need to get my system in order first. Not folders, not file names, actual databases with tags, departments, questions, and answers that AI can read and act on. And that's exactly what Notion gives me. So I'm going all in. I'm moving everything first, then I'll build my AI assistant. And I'm documenting the entire process right here, right now. All right, step 1, build the foundation. I'm not gonna just dump random files into Notion. It'd just be the same mess, but a different platform. So instead, I'm creating 6 core databases that will run my entire business. Starting with database number 1, content and scripts. This is where every video idea, every script, and every piece of content will live. And each entry will have a title, a status, content type, checklists for thumbnails and titles, planned post dates, tags, and links to related tasks and affiliate links. Before, I had scripts in 47 different docs. Now, all in one searchable database. Database number 2, research and notes, meeting notes, product research, standard operating procedures, random ideas, transcripts, all in one place. Tagged, searchable, and connected to different projects. Then we've got database number 3, which is automations and systems. Every workflow, every automation, every system we build in Make, N8N, Zapier, documented, structured, and repeatable. So when I inevitably forget how to build something 6 months ago, it's all here. Database number 4 is tasks and delegations. Now this one's for me and Daniel. Every to-do, every task, every project, each of these will have an owner, either Daniel or myself, a priority, due date, status, and link to the script or content it belongs to. So when Daniel asks, what's next? I just say, open Notion, it's right there. Database number 5, our affiliate links. Every affiliate program I promote, every product, every link, every commission rate. And here's the magic. Each affiliate entry links to the content that it actually promotes. So I can instantly see which videos mention AI automation, which scripts include outrank links, and what content is driving which commissions. This is gold for a creator business. Database number 6 is company knowledge base. So this is the most important one. This is what makes the AI assistant actually work. Every question I need answered about my business gets stored here in a clean and structured format. What's my hook structure? Documented here. What's my video upload process? Documented here. How do we schedule monthly articles inside Outrank? Documented here. This database pulls information from all of the other 5 databases. Scripts, SOPs, notes, automations, everything, and formats it specifically so that the AI can read and understand it. So that's it, 6 databases. Everything that I need to run my business and make the AI assistant actually useful. By the way, if you want a copy of this full Notion setup yourself, I've left the link down in the description. Feel free to check it out. And if you're liking this video so far, make sure to smash that thumbs up. It only gets better from here. Okay, it's time for the hard part, actually moving everything over. My first step is to just go to Google Drive and figure out what's even there. Oh look, here's a folder called scripts maybe. Great, that really narrows it down. So here's my process. Open the Google Doc, copy the content, paste it into the matching Notion database, add tags and fields, archive the old doc, and delete the old doc. One by one, script by script, list by list. And as I'm moving stuff over, I've realized how much of it I don't even use. Scripts I never used, programs I never joined, ideas I completely forgot about. This is turning from just a migration of a business into a full audit. And it's honestly exactly what I needed. But the most important thing is that I'm not just copying this content. I'm actually structuring and organizing it properly for AI. Now look, it probably took me about 14 hours to move it all over and structure it properly. But in the long run, this could save me easily 10 plus hours a week. But with all that being said, we've got our content onto Notion, it's all structured, and we're ready to build this AI assistant. Let's dive in. All right, so this is the part we've been waiting for. Everything's migrated, everything's organized, and now it's time to build our AI assistant. And this is where N8N comes in. For those that don't know, it's a workflow automation tool that connects AI to Notion. So let me outline the exact process that I'd take to build this AI assistant. Step 1, create a Notion integration and grab your API key. Step 2, share your company knowledge base with that integration so N8N can access it. Number 3, import the pre-made template from Max at N8N. He built this exact workflow for us. Number 4, connect your credentials, your Notion API and your AI model, either Claude or ChatGPT. Test it. I asked it, what is our hook formula? And it pulls the exact answer from my database. And last of all, activate the workflow. N8N gives me a chat URL and boom, the AI assistant is live. Now, before we get into the full potential of the tool, if you want a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to set your own AI assistant up, then make sure to click the link in the description. It'll take you to our Discord. Just head over to the free content section and you can get started today. Now, with all that being said, let me show you how powerful this tool actually is. All right, the moment of truth. I've got the chat interface open and my AI is connected to our company knowledge base. Let me just ask it some questions. What is our workflow for posting shorts across all platforms? And look at this, instant answer. The entire workflow, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, it's all there. And all of this pulled straight from my knowledge database in seconds. Before, I'd be digging through Google Docs, taking 20 minutes just to remember what we decided. Come, let's ask it another question. What is our script formula for tutorial style videos? Look at this, complete breakdown, hook, outcome preview, why this matters, it's got it all. Now this is the exact format that we use for all of our tutorial style videos. And now I can just ask for it instead of trying to find it under hundreds of documents. All right, let me do this last one. Explain our storytelling system. Again, the AI pulls up our entire system. Dance, rhythm, tone, direction, story lens, and hook. Every component explained, every example included. This is why structuring your data matters so much. And the AI isn't magic. It's just extremely good at searching through clean, organized information. But when everything was in Google Drive, the AI couldn't do any of this. And now that it's in Notion and structured properly in a knowledge base, I can just ask and get answers. So let me show you what's actually different now. Before, we had scripts scattered across 47 Google Docs. Daniel constantly messaging, what's next? Affiliate links buried in random docs, tasks living in my head or lost in the drive, no way to search across everything, and had to manually find, organize, and track everything. But after, all the scripts were in a database, tagged and instantly searchable. Daniel has a live task board that he can use to find out what he needs to do next. We have affiliate links connected to content, trackable and actionable. We have tasks automated, visible and assigned. Everything searchable by AI across my entire business. I can just ask questions and get answers in seconds. And the AI assistant actually runs half my operations. Now, our business finally feels like a system and not a scramble. And the best part, I can just talk to this AI like it's our third teammate. I don't have to remember where everything is. I don't have to go and dig through different folders. I just ask and it finds it. And that's the power of combining structure with AI. So the migration to Notion took 14 hours and building the AI assistant took me 4. But the result, you can't even put a price on it. Now look, I'm not saying this system's perfect. Of course, there's still gonna be questions that you have to include each and every week as you continue to figure out what actually works. But what I'm saying is this: if you're trying to use AI for anything, whether it's an assistant, some automation, content generation, whatever, structure is everything. You just can't skip this step. The AI just needs clean and organized data to work with. And if your business feels a little chaotic right now, if you're constantly searching for files, if your team doesn't know what to do next, if you want to use AI but you don't know where to start, migrate to Notion. I can't stress this enough. You can structure your databases and build an AI assistant around all of it. Now, with all that being said, if you want to know exactly how to build this AI assistant, then make sure to check out the link in the description to our Discord. It's free, it's quick, and it's so easy to understand. And if you're already building something like this, maybe you're setting up your own AI system, then drop a comment down below. Let us know what's been working for you. I'd love to hear about it. And if you did stick around this long, thank you once again. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.